Hey guys, it's Dawn Marie and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I hope you're going to stick around because I'm actually sharing a living case study of everything that I'm getting up to in building and starting this digital product business, which I'm doing from scratch. And boy, oh boy, do I have to say that it has been a whirlwind with highs and lows. I mean, whoever said starting a business was easy, right? So if you want to know what I'm getting up to, then please do subscribe to the channel. And in today's video, I want to share with you how to use SendOwl and Canva to sell your digital products and why you just don't need a website to get started. Now, you might be asking yourself, what exactly is SendOwl? Well, SendOwl is an e-commerce platform that specializes in helping creators and businesses like you and me to sell their digital products online. So it provides a variety of features and tools to make the process of selling digital products easier. So you have features like digital product delivery, there's payment processing, customized checkouts, secure downloads, and most importantly, analytics and reporting. Now, I used to use lead pages and Stripe to sell my digital products, but I've incorporated SendOwl as part of my marketing toolkit as well, because SendOwl also allows you to collect PayPal payments, which lead pages did not. I mean, they had an integration, but it wasn't the best. So that's why I decided to bring SendOwl as part of my technology stack. But when you use SendOwl with Canva, you don't need a website because all you want to do is send someone to a checkout page to purchase your product, therefore eliminating the need for websites, right? So I know that there are a lot of people who don't know or they get stuck with building a website. Well, guess what? You don't need a website to get started. So I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly how to sell your digital products with SendOwl and Canva. Let's head on over to my laptop right now where we'll get started. Okay, so to get started, you must first have your Canva digital product, which you can download as a PDF. So I am going to be selling this digital product as an ebook because we all know that ebooks are one of the easiest digital products to create, especially if you're taking your knowledge and sharing it in a PDF document, packaging it, and then selling it. Now, if you're not very good with design and you want an easy way to create your own ebook or lead magnet without having to fiddle around with Canva wondering how to design an ebook, I've put a link in my description box where I came up with an ebook design. It's an ebook and lead magnet design toolkit that's going to help you create and design content in as little as 5 minutes. So be sure to check the link in my description box below. So I've downloaded my ebook by going to share, then I'm going to click on download, then I'm going to make sure that it's on PDF standard, and I'm then going to click on download. Now I've already downloaded my ebook, and once I've done that, I'm going to go back to my SendOwl account. I've already set up my SendOwl account, and if you don't know how to get your SendOwl account set up, I'll make sure to leave a link as well to a previous video that I created that shows you how to get your SendOwl account set up. And you can just go to the website and sign up for SendOwl, making sure that you set up your payment processors, Stripe and PayPal, because this is the only way to get paid. Now, by the way, when you sign up for SendOwl, you get a 14-day free trial. Then it's $15 a month. I've also put my link in the description box below, which is an affiliate link. If you'd like to support and thank me for creating this video, SendOwl will pay me a small commission for referring you to them, but this is at no additional cost to you. Now, once you've configured your SendOwl account for payments, you first want to start by going to products and then sell a digital product. So we're going to add a product, then product, and then we're going to select digital file. Now, if you are a service provider, you can also use SendOwl to collect payments for your services. So you may be a coach or consultant. This is a great way to do that. Also, if you have bundles that you want to sell, SendOwl gives you the options as well to bundle your products, and you can use this option here. And if you are more into a subscription model, then there's also an option for that. So you can also use SendOwl to sell subscriptions. Okay, so getting back to the digital product, we've selected digital file. Let's enter the name of the product, the price of our product, and then the tax category. In my case, I'm not going to add any tax, so I'll just put no tax. And now I'm going to upload my Canva ebook. So I'm going to choose file. Now you can also select PDF stamping, which just means that you can stamp your name, your details on the PDF, which makes it more difficult for the purchaser to actually share the ebook without your permission. So if they were to share it, at least they will see your details on the ebook. So anyone else who does get access to the ebook, at least that helps to share who created the product, the name of the brand, and also gives you a lot of brand visibility. So you can select this option if you want to. I'm just going to go ahead and click Create Product. So we're just going to give it some time to upload the ebook. Okay, perfect. So it says that your product has been created. Now start selling it, but we don't want to do that just yet. So I'm going to go to Edit Product here. And then let's go to product details, and we're going to add a product image, description, and summary points. Click OK. And let's choose a file if you have a product image, because this is what will display on your checkout page. We can also include some summary points. If you have bullet points about your product, you can put it here, or you can also include a description, a short description of your ebook. I do want to say that if your summary points, there is a word limit. At the moment, I don't know how much that is, but just be mindful that you shouldn't add too many bullet points, because then it would say that it is above the limit. So I'm going to just get a quick summary of my yoga book, and I'm going to add that in the description here. And I'm going to click Save. Now let's go back to the product. And I want to go to the advanced section of this product. So let's click to view advanced options. So here's how we're going to customize this section. Let's select live, because we want to make sure that our Stripe payments is always on live. It will default to live, so you can leave this as is. This is important because you want to make sure that your Stripe payments are not in test mode, but in live mode. For prices guide, I'm not going to select anything here because this lets the buyer determine the price of the product. Remember, we already selected our price from the start, and we're not giving the opportunity to the buyer to tell us how much they are willing to pay for the product. For the single quantity limit in cart, if you want the buyer to select one ebook only, then you can select that item here. Is there a sales limit for your product? For example, do you only have a certain number of items that you want to sell? Well, because we're selling digital products, this would not apply to us. So I'm going to move on from here and leave this blank. I'm going to include the currency. I sell my products in United States dollars, so you can always select which currency you sell your products in. They have a wide range of currencies to select from. I'm not going to add any tax, but if you have a tax category, then go right ahead and select whichever one you want. Now, if you want to add your product to a folder, for example, if you have multiple products and they need to be organized by folders, go ahead and name the folder here. Otherwise, leave it blank, because I only just have this one single product to sell. For download attempts, this is where it would be very handy if you want to prevent your product from being shared and downloaded without your permission. For example, you can give the buyer 3 download attempts, which means that after the 3rd download, the link will become invalid. So let's select 3 downloads, as well as for download validity. How long do you want your product to be open to download? So you might give the buyer 1 day to download it, 1 week to download it. Let's be reasonable and give them 1 week to download this product. After the week has passed, after they purchased, the link will become invalid. So the next thing is the redirect URL. If you want to redirect the customer to your own website, where maybe you can give them instructions on how to use the product, then you can add your redirect URL here. Otherwise, it will go directly to SendOwl's own download page, where the user will be able to download the product. Now, if you don't have an email list just yet, so for example, you don't want to add this contact, the person who purchases the product, you don't want to add them to your email list, then you can leave these 2 options here blank and just click Save. Okay, so we have our product that has been uploaded. We have added the image and description as well as advanced options. There's one more thing that I want to show you, and that is the customizing the checkout. So let's go to settings, then scroll down and go to SendOwl checkout, and let's go to checkout templates. Now, there's not much that you can do in terms of design unless you have HTML experience, then you can create your own new template. But these are just some of the options that SendOwl gives to us in terms of checkout. I actually use this one, and you can decide which one you want your buyers to go to, well, whether it's a simple checkout like this or whether an e-commerce checkout like this. Be free. You are free to test whichever one you want to use, but I have used the SendOwl Marketers Checkout. So I'm going to select that. Then I'm going to go back to products and find the product that I want to sell, which is the yoga for backache, and then let's click sell. And all I'm going to do is copy the link. So this link, you're given two links. There's one link that redirects to the payment page. So that is the checkout page. And then there's another that redirects to the sales page. Now, I'm not a big fan of SendOwl's sales page, so I don't use it. So I would just simply redirect the customer to the payment page. Let's copy this and see what it looks like. Right, so this is what the buyer is going to see. They're going to see the product with the image here and then the price, and all they have to do is just enter their details. They can select PayPal or credit card and complete their order. If, however, you wanted to use the sales page, this is what it would look like. And then when they click buy now, it's just simply going to go to the checkout page. So it's entirely up to you what you want to do, whether you want to send them directly to the sales page or whether you want to send them to the checkout page. So that's it, guys. You don't really need a website to get started. SendOwl has made it very easy for you to simply promote your product and send your buyers either to the sales page or to the checkout page. If you have any questions about this process, please leave it in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching my video, guys. Don't forget to check all the links in the description box below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.